Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and today I'm here to do some constructions for class 10th, right? So in the previous video we have done construction of the line segment when the line is to be divided in certain ratio. Now in this video we will be doing exercise 11.2. We'll be starting with constructions and we'll be starting with exercise 11.2. Now here we have question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4. We have to construct a circle with radius 4. Rough figure I am drawing here. Suppose we have a circle, its radius is 4. From a point on the concentric circle of radius 6, measure its length. Now the word concentric circles. What is the meaning of word concentric circles? Concentric circle means when there are two circles with the same center. Two circles with the same center. And the radius of this bigger circle is 6. Now what you have to do, from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 and measure its length. From this point, this is any point we can take over here. From this point or any other point, say for example if I have taken this point, from this point we have to draw tangents to the smaller circle and we have to measure the length of both the tangents. Now before starting with this, let me tell you the tangent is what? When there is a circle, there is a point on a circle, and if the point touches the circle only at one point, that is known as tangent. And do remember that if we are having an external point, two tangents are drawn and the length of both the tangents are same, right? So here we start with the construction where first of all we will be drawing two circles, one with radius 4 and another with radius 6. Okay, so here we start with the construction. First of all, we will be taking the compass and the scale. We require the compass and the scale. We have to draw the circle with radius 4 and another circle with radius 6. First of all, let this be the smaller circle with radius 4. Let it be O, center O, and let it be A. With OA as radius, we have to draw the circle. We will open 4 centimeters here in the compass. And then taking O as center, we draw the circle like this. Okay. Then again taking 6 as radius and O as center, we draw another circle with O as center and 6 as radius, because it is given that we have to make two concentric circles. Okay, so these are the two circles. Now it is given to us in the book that with these two circles, this is the inner circle, on this inner circle, from any point outside the circle, means on the outer circle, say for example I take any point P here. From this point, tangents are to be drawn on the smaller circle. Now for drawing the tangents, what have we to do? Whichever is the point given to us, we have to join that point with the center of the circle. We are joining this point with the center of the circle. Now what we have to do? We have to make the perpendicular bisector of this OP. The perpendicular bisector is what? कैसे बनाते हैं perpendicular bisector? Whatever is the length of this OP, जिस भी line का perpendicular bisector बनाना है. See, suppose this is the line and I have to make the perpendicular bisector of this line. So what is to be done? आप इसका more than half, you have to take more than half of it and you have to draw the arcs from both the points in both the directions, right? Now see how? I'll take more than half of it, say this much, roughly we can take, need not to measure more than half. इतना measure किया, एक बार पॉइंट P पर रखना है, see, and you have to make an arc like this. Again on point P you have to keep, and you have to make an arc like this. Similarly, put it on O, cut the arc, again put it on O and cut the arc like this. So these are the 2 points that you have got. Join these 2 lines, join these 2 points. This is the perpendicular bisector of, join these 2 points. Let this point be the midpoint of OP. M is the midpoint of OP. OP का midpoint है M. अब क्या करना है आपको? You have to take radius as OP and M as center. जो midpoint आया है उसको center लेना है, radius OP लेना है, and again you have to draw the circle. Now you have to draw the circle. Now see carefully, this is the drawn circle. It will intersect the previous circle at 2 points. These are those 2 points. Then you have to join these 2 points. Name them X and Y. X and Y. 2 points that you have got after making the circle. Now join XP and XY. Join XP and XY. Join XP and YP. And XP and YP are your tangents. Right? XP and YP will be your tangents. If you wish, you can measure the length of these tangents. They will be same. Right? See, once again, let me tell you in brief what are the steps of construction. First of all, आपने पहले एक सर्कल बनाया with 4 centimeter. फिर एक और सर्कल बनाया with 6 centimeters as radius. Right? जो बाहर वाला सर्कल है उस पे anywhere you have taken any point P. Join that point P to the center. अब उस OP का perpendicular bisector बना दीजिए like this. That perpendicular bisector will cut OP somewhere at M. अब MP as radius and M as center एक और सर्कल बना दीजिए. That circle will cut the original circle of 4 centimeters at 2 points. Name them X and Y, और YX और YP को join कर दीजिए. XP and XY you have joined. Right? So this is all about the construction for question number 2. And now about the length of the tangents. These 2 tangents, you can measure them and you can find the length. But in the question it is given that you have to verify the length by actual calculations. So how do we verify the length? See, how can it be done? Now if you see carefully, X, P and XY, I'll draw here separately. X, P, and this was the center O. This is 6. This radius is 4 and this is 90-degree angle over here. Right? Now when you see, this becomes a right angled triangle. Look here. X, P, like this. This becomes a right angled triangle. So in triangle OXP, by Pythagoras theorem, what can we say? What is Pythagoras theorem? That square of hypotenuse is equals to square of sum of other 2 sides. Now since 90-degree angle is here, so OP will be the hypotenuse. So OP square is equals to OX square plus XP square. Right? Now OX is the radius for the smaller circle, so this is 4 square plus XP. XP is the length of the tangent that you have to find, so let it be XP square only. OP is the radius for the bigger circle, so it will be 6 square. Now 36 minus 16 is equals to XP square. This is 20. Under root of 20 is XP. You can solve under root 20. Under root 20 will be solved like 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 2. 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. That means 2 will come out, 5 remains in the under root, so 2 root 5 is your XP. This is the length of XP, 2 root 5. Similarly, you can do it for the other triangle OYP. Everything remains the same. OP, OX, XP. इनके बदले आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do? इस वाले ट्राइंगल में क्या रहेगा? सेम रहेगा. ट्राइंगल कौन सा लिया आपने? OYP. और लगाया क्या आपने? पाइथागोरस, which is the hypotenuse. OP square is equals to OY square plus YP square. This is same. 6 square is equals to 4 square plus YP square. When you solve it, YP also will be 2 root 5. So this, by measuring these, you get the same tangents, and when you are verifying it by actual calculation, then also you are getting both the tangents of the same length, right? So this is all about construction of two concentric circles. Okay children, next video I'll be telling you about the other constructions. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye bye.